Namaste, I am Ravindra Gautam and you are watching Commodity Today. Today's big news. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has announced the final crop production estimates from 24-25, confirming records food grain output. He said India has seen its biggest rise in a decade, with production increasing from 251.54 million tons in 15-16 to 357.73 million tons. The government urged hotels and restaurants to source produce directly from farmer producers organizations, aiming to boost farmers' income by cutting out middlemen from the supply chain. Speaking at the event, the Agriculture Secretary Devesh Chaturvedi focused on the benefit of direct partnerships between the hospitality sector and local farmers. Indian merchandise exports showed steady growth, reaching $20 billion in first half of financial year 26 despite global volatility. Whereas the US remains a key market, its shares has decreased, with India diversifying its export destinations. The government is providing significant assistance to exporters battling challenges like US tariff. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma formally inaugurated the Center of Excellence for Vegetables under the Indo-Israel Agricultural Project at Khetri. The center allocated Rs 5.84 crore for the project 2021. The Trading Corporation of Pakistan has issued a tender to purchase 1 lakh tons of IRRI-6 rice for export to Bangladesh, reflecting improved bilateral ties since August 2024. The tender invites sealed bids by November 28, with offers required to remain valid for 21 working days. India's seafood sector is strategically increasing its global market reach, reducing its traditional reliance on the United States by diversifying exports to offset rising tariffs under the Trump administration. Pakistan has reaffirmed its commitment to the European Union's GSP Plus trade scheme during talks with the Netherlands. While urging action on key market access issues, it raised concerns over the withdrawal of ethanol concessions and the ongoing basmati rice GI dispute with India. Odisha is facing a mounting crisis in its rice procurement system as surplus parboiled rice continues to pile up, with the Food Corporation of India reluctant to accept it. Official warns the problem will intensify after the recent MSP hike, which has encouraged more paddy cultivation. China's plan to purchase 5 lakh tons of Thai rice is set to give Thailand's export a timely lift, according to political economist Somjay Phagafaswiwat. The move comes as the United States increases tariff pressure across the region, creating uncertainty of Asian exporters. Pakistan's rice exports have plunged 39% in the first 4 months of financial year 26, dropping to $553 million and reversing last year's record gains. According to industry data, this sharp fall has raised concerns over the country's overall export performance. So these were the today's headlines. Keep watching Commodity Today.